Work faster at the office without looking busy. Here are 5 keyboard shortcuts that secretly boost productivity. Shortcut, Alt-Tab. Stop clicking between windows. Alt plus Tab lets you switch apps instantly. Perfect when multitasking at work. Shortcut, Windows Shift-S. Need a quick screenshot? Windows Shift-S lets you capture only what you need. Clean. Fast. No extra editing. Shortcut, Ctrl+F. Find one word. Press Ctrl plus F to search instantly. Works in documents, emails, and websites. Shortcut, Ctrl+Z. Made a mistake. Ctrl plus Z brings everything back. This shortcut saves time and panic. Shortcut, Windows L. Leaving your desk. Windows plus L locks your PC instantly. Simple habit. Strong security. Master these shortcuts. Work faster. Look smarter. Follow for more 60-second tech tips.